Here is a solution for T3, the third thinking problem from our worksheet, which had 4 set of questions, right? And the idea here is that you should go through them in sequence. First, try to answer these 4 questions yourself, and then look into the solution in order, T1, T2, and then T3. Determine the equation of tangent line to f of x equals to x plus 2 divided by x minus 1 at its x-intercept. Now, to find equation of tangent line at a given point, we need to know the slope at that point. T2 was all about that. In T2, we found the slope at the x-intercept, and it came out to be, so we said instantaneous rate of change at x equals to minus 2, because x-intercept is at minus 2, is equals to minus 1 over 3. So this is the result from T2 solution. Okay, I'm writing here T2 solution. Okay, so if you're not seeing that, I'll recommend first see T1 then T2, because T2 utilizes a solution from T1. Okay, that's the point. Well, x-intercept really means a point where f of x is 0, right? If I put f of x is 0, then x has to be minus 2. Therefore, x-intercept for us is minus 2 and 0. Okay, so that is x-intercept for us. Now, we know instantaneous rate of change at x equals to minus 2, that is x-intercept, is minus 1 over 3. Now, we know 2 things. One, we know the slope. Instantaneous rate of change is the slope, right? And the point, which is minus 2 and 0. And therefore, we can easily find the equation of the tangent. So let's try to find equation of the tangent in y equals to mx plus b form first. Okay. Now, here we know the slope, we know y, we know x, we need to find b. So y is 0 for us. So it says 0 equals to, slope is minus 1 over 3, minus 1 over 3, x value is minus 2 plus b, right? So that gives us 0 equals to 2 over 3 plus b, or we can take it on this side, minus 2 over 3 is equals to b. And therefore, equation of our line is y equals to minus 1 over 3x minus 2 over 3. So that is the equation of our line in slope-intercept form, right? If some of you are writing this equation line in standard form, then you can use this formula, that is y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1, correct? Now, so we have our point, which is minus 2, 0, so we get y minus 0, that is y1, and x1 is minus 2. Slope is minus 1 over 3, so minus 1 over 3 times x minus minus 2, which makes it plus 2, right? That is it. Now we can cross multiply and then solve. Y minus 0 is just y, and when we cross multiply, we get 3y equals to, I'm opening this bracket with minus x minus 2, right? Now we can bring all the terms together and we get x plus 3y plus 2 equals to 0. That gives you the equation in standard form, right? It is same as this, right? If I multiply everything by 3, I get 3y here minus x minus 2, just as it was there, right? So that is how you can find your equation of tangent line with a given slope and a point, correct? So this is in continuation with T1 and T2. In T2 we found the slope and we just applied that here to find the equation of the line. Okay, let's move on to T4. Thank you.